What's up, flyers? Welcome back to my channel. Here I'm going to take you through how to check if your fare with Aer Lingus is a sale or promotional fare, which means it's subject to less tier credits. So pick your dates. I'm going Dublin to LA. Now these are all connecting flights. We don't want that. So we're going to go back up to the top and we're going to choose the next day. We want a direct flight. And there you go, direct flight there, direct flight home. No indication of a sale or promotional fare anywhere. As far as I can tell, it looks like it's a regular fare booking. So you'd think that you get your full tier credit entitlement, but we'll do the same on the way home. Before you click continue, you want to go to the About Your Fare section. And you want to click on Fare Rules, which will open another little window. Scroll to the bottom, and there you go. Any booking that starts with A, Z, W, T, O, or R is subject to or is considered a sale or promotional fare. And there you go. Both flights there and back are sale or promotional. So don't get caught in the trap. Use your judgment next time. And thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Give it a subscribe if you haven't already, and follow us on Instagram.
Terminal 3, flights on time.